Are you looking for the 6 best vlogging cameras with flip screen? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best vlogging cameras with flip screen on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Panasonic Lumix FZ300 camera. Our top pick vlogging camera with a flip screen. The Panasonic Lumix FZ300 is a brilliant camera for vlogging available for under $500. This long zoom digital camera with a flip screen comes with a Leica DC24x f2.8 zoom lens. It is an ideal choice for day-long vlog shooting in all-weather conditions owing to the rugged body design. The camera is splash-proof and dust-proof, featuring a 12.1 megapixel high-sensitivity MOS sensor and 5-axis image stabilization. The Panasonic Lumix FZ300 is capable of capturing some stunning, stable shots even in low-light conditions. The Panasonic Lumix FZ300 can shoot superb 4K videos for your vlogs at 30 FPS. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi technology that makes it easier to transfer your content to your device. The Lumix FZ300 has a tilting touchscreen LCD and fast and quiet autofocus. Overall, a wonderful choice at a reasonable price. Number 2. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Featuring a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II camera is a superb option to record high-quality 4K video for your vlogs. The DIGIC8 image processor by Canon offers high image quality and stable footage. The compact design of this camera makes it easy to carry on all your projects. Vlogging is all the more fun with the multi-angle touchscreen for live previews. Some other notable specs of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II include an improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and an eye detection AF. It can shoot some beautiful 4K UHD shots at 24p and Full HD shots at 120p, which is great for slow-motion footage. Furthermore, the camera's webcam utility allows for hassle-free live streaming. All in all, this affordable mirrorless camera with a flip screen is perfect for your vlogging needs. Number 3. D5600DX Format Digital SLRW. FPDXN IKKOR 18 to 55mm f divided by 3.5-5. 6 GVR. Featuring a 24 MP sensor, the Nikon D5600 lets you focus as close as 25 centimeters from your subject. You can click mesmerizing close-ups of yourself for your vlogs with ease. The camera is capable of capturing stunning Full HD 1080p footage at 60 FPS. It features a 3.2 inches screen and has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi with NFC connectivity. The Nikon D5600 DSLR has an extremely intuitive and flexible flip screen. All you have to do is flip, tilt, or rotate the large 8.1 centimeters variable angle touchscreen to compose the perfect photo or video. So, with the ultimate clarity and stability that the Nikon D5600 offers, the camera makes a perfect choice for your next vlog shoot. Number 4. DJI Pocket 2 Handheld 3-Axis Gimbal Stabilizer with 4K camera. 1/1.7 CMOS, 64 MP photo, pocket-sized, Active Track 3.0, Glamour Effects, YouTube TikTok video vlog, for Android and iPhone, black. Featuring a slim hand-sized rectangular body, the DJI Pocket 2 is a wonderful vlogging camera with a single gimbal-mounted camera lens. It comes with a simple UI with large icons that make interaction intuitive. The fact that it can shoot in a variety of frame rates and resolutions, including 4K at 60 FPS, makes it a popular choice amongst many vloggers. Although the DJI Pocket 2 doesn't offer a conventional flip screen, it comes with a front-facing screen that's good enough to help you frame yourself for what you're shooting. Number 5. GoPro HERO11 Black. Waterproof action camera with 3K 60 Ultra HD video, 27 MP photos, 1/1.9 image sensor, live streaming, webcam, stabilization. Featuring a dual touchscreen on the front and back, the GoPro Hero Black 11 is waterproof up to 10 meters and comes with a replaceable hydrophobic lens cover. It has built-in fold-out mounting tabs and a weather-sealed body which makes it easy to use under conditions where there is a risk of exposure to water and dust. The GoPro Hero 11 comes with a simplified user interface for beginners, though the core UI is the same. Using Easy Mode, you can easily access the main settings by selecting your FOV, slow-mo, and start recording. In this camera, switching between different modes like photo, video, and time-lapse is extremely convenient. Not sure if GoPro Hero 11 is good for vlogging? Read this article. Number 6. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III camera body, Wi-Fi enabled, 4K video. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III is a high-quality, pocket-friendly camera for vlogging. It is one of the best 4K mirrorless cameras that you can get for under $500, featuring a 16 MP live MOS sensor and a dual quad-core TruePic 8 image processor. It lets you relish amazing speed and spectacular quality pictures and videos. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization technology lets you capture smooth stills and videos. Its 3 inches tilting LCD monitor makes it a superb choice for vlogging. The camera is super easy to carry due to its lightweight and compact build. For more options, check out our article on blogging cameras, 7 best cameras for blogging photography.